Hello friends, last part finished fetching profile image and search users. In this part, how to design messenger chat box displaying chat messages. First go to the text editor, go to the file name home.php. Inside messenger chat container, inside class name of messenger chat container, here div dot messenger chat box. Now inside class name messenger chat box, another div, the class name messenger chat box, right here, that is message display right side and left side. One more div below that, class name of messenger chat box, left. Now design the messenger chat box. Go to the file messengers.css. Here using tag, write message chat box design. Now dot message chat box, inside flower bracket, width is 100%, height is 100%. Now design the messenger chat box right side. Inside flower bucket, width is 100%. And also design messenger chat box left, width is 100%. Now go to the messenger chat box right. Now div dot messenger chat box chat right, here that is class name messenger chat right. Inside messenger chat box left, here div dot messenger chat left, here that is class name messenger chat left. Now design the messenger chat right. Go to the messenger.css file dot messenger chat right, inside flower bucket, width is 50%. And also messenger chat left, copy, change the class name messenger chat left, width 50%. Now go to the home.php file, inside messenger chat right, here design right side, here first inside messenger chat right, here div dot messenger chat right inside. So first design displaying message right side, inside that one more div, class name messenger chat right, text, here that is two flex box, one is messenger chat right text, inside that div dot messenger chart right, text inside, text display, and then one more flex box below class name messenger chart right text. Here div dot messenger chart right icon. Inside that one more div, that is class name messenger chart right icon image, and then inside using image tag here, that is icon hash resource equal to icon hash check.png. Here that is check.png icon. Now design the here using paragraph tag, inside write text hi. Now refresh the browser. Here display the text and check icon. Now go to the messenger.css file. Now design the messenger chart right inside. Here dot messenger chart right inside flower bracket, width is 100%, display flex, justify content, center, align items, center, now design the messenger chart right text. Here that is one flex box. Here flex is 3. It means that is 3 times the another div box, that is class name of messenger chart right icon. Here flex is 1, flex is 0.5. Now design the messenger chart right icon image. Inside flower bracket, width is 15px, the height also same 15px, and then margin auto. Now design the messenger chart right icon image inside image. Here width is 100% and height is 100%, and then save the file home.php. Now refresh the browser, save it again. Now refresh the browser. Here shows text name and right side icon. Now design the messenger chart right text display. font size 20px, and then border radius 50%, background color that is messenger color, that is #0084FF, and then display inline block, and then color white, now save the file home.php, and then browser shows text outside looking round shape, and then text looking white, then background color looking blue type. Now inside messenger chat write text here, that is display flex, justify content, flex send. Now save the file home.php and refresh the browser, and then text comes near to the icon. Again go to the messenger chat box, right inside that display text, justify contents, also flex send, and save the file, and then refresh the browser, and then chat message comes to right side of the chat box. Now design the messenger chat write text display paragraph tag, just copy and paste below that, and paragraph tag inside flower bracket write margin 5px, and then save the file, refresh the browser, and then outside border looking bigger than inside text. Now copy the messenger chat right inside, and paste inside messenger chat left. Here only changes right instead of left, and all the class name same, only changes right instead of right, class name left, and then here paragraph tag inside text is hello. Here that is cut the messenger chat left icon and paste above the messenger chat left text. Here also two flex box, left icon and left text. Here that is changes source name profile image dot jpg, and then save the file, refresh the browser, and show the profile image and text. Now design the messenger chat left side. Here also copy the right side of the design and paste below that, and changes the class name right instead of right left. Here that is class name messenger chat left inside. Here remove the display flex, justify content. Also that is messenger chat left icon image, width is right 30px, height also same 30px. Here changes right instead of right left. Here that is text color, that is background color, changes to #EE. Now save the file, then refresh the browser. Here shows chat profile image and then chat text. Now changes color to black. Now refresh the browser and then text shows black color. Now here that is just changes border radius to 50px. Right side text also border radius 50px. Now inside messenger chat box write display flex and then flex direction column and then justify content flex send and then save the file, refresh the browser. Here that is chat message comes to bottom of the chat box. Now go to the home.php file. Now below the here that is message right side, messenger message right side. Here that is div dot messenger setting action. Here that is class name messenger setting action. Inside that div dot messenger action. Inside that two flex box, that is first is class name messenger action, text and then one more flex box, class name messenger action, image, inside messenger action text. Here that is one more div, class name messenger action, text inside, inside the messenger action image. Here also one more div, class name messenger action, messenger action image inside messenger action text, paste text more action inside anchor tag. Inside messenger action image inside using image tag, source, icon, hash, arrow down dot png. Now design the messenger setting action, that is messenger chat setting users. Now go to the messengers.css file. Here write tag messenger setting, messenger settings. Here dot, that is class name, messenger setting action, inside flower bracket, width 100%. Now design the messenger action, class name messenger action, inside flower bracket, here width is 100%, height 50px, now refresh the browser. Here shows text and arrow down icon. Now design the messenger action text. Before, that is inside messenger action display, flex, justify content center, align items, center, now design messenger action text. Here set flex 3, that is 3 times to messenger action image. Here flex box messenger action image, flex is 1. Now design the messenger action text inside. Inside flower bucket, color hash CCC, margin left 15px, now design the messenger action image inside flower bucket, width is 16px, height also same 16px, margin auto, now copy the same messenger action image inside, paste below that. Now design the inside image, Here width is 100%, height also 100%. Now save the file, refresh the browser, save the file again, and then refresh the browser. Here shows more action text and setting icon. Here messenger action text inside text align start, and then changes color to #AAA. Now save the file, refresh the browser. Here that is messenger chat setting, more actions. Now copy the messenger action and paste below that. Now changes the, refresh it first. Now changes the image source and text. Here text is search in conservation. Inside anchor tag design style, using style equal to inside double quotes color black, font size 17px. Here also changes image source, that is icon as search.png. Now save the file, refresh the browser. Here that is more action settings, that is search in conservation. Same copy messenger action inside all class names and paste below that. And refresh the browser. Again copy, paste below 2 more times. Paste it 2 more times. Refresh the browser. Now only changes text inside anchor tag. Here remove the text search in conservation and write text edit nicknames, and also changes the image source icon as edit name.png. Now below that changes source name color.png and also changes the text change theme. Now refresh the browser. Now refresh the browser Here that is text is change theme, and also last that is inside anchor tag text is change emoji, and then image source like .png, then save the file, refresh the browser, and then text is change emoji, and then like icon. Now same, copy the messenger setting action inside more classes, and then paste below that. Paste below that, and then save the file home.php. Now refresh the browser. Here it shows more actions, down arrow. Now changes, here text, shared photos, now save the file home.php, refresh the browser. Here there is text show shared photos. Please finish the, here it just changes class name, messenger post action, and then design messenger post action inside flower bracket, width is 100%, also border top, border top 1px, solid has CCC. Save the file, refresh the browser. Now here that is finished the messenger chat box displaying message charts, and also chat settings. There is user chat setting, more actions, and shared photos. Please subscribe my channel Subbu Tutorial, and thank you for watching this part.